Hello and welcome to 2 Minutes Global Market Pulse, your fast track to what's moving the world economy today. Let's jump right in. The Composite Manufacturing Index in the United States 5th District sank by 12 points from the previous month to -20 in July of 2025, the lowest in 10 months, and contrasting sharply with expectations that it would improve to -3. The result reflected a fresh deterioration in activity for manufacturers in the United States, suggesting that the fresh tariff threats by White House officials may have jeopardized firms' supply chains following a period of trade barrier de-escalation. Public sector net borrowing, excluding public sector banks in the United Kingdom, widened sharply to £20.7 billion in June 2025, up from £14.1 billion in the same month a year earlier, and exceeding market forecasts of £15.6 billion. This marked the highest level of borrowing since April 2021, as high inflation drove up the government's debt servicing costs. Indonesia's sovereign wealth fund, Danantara, plans to sign an $8 billion United States dollar engineering, procurement, and construction contract with United States engineering firm KBR Incorporated to build 17 modular refineries, according to two sources familiar with the matter and an official presentation by the Economic Ministry, as reported by Reuters. China created a total of 6.95 million new urban jobs in the first half of 2025, achieving 58% of its annual target, official data showed on Tuesday, according to Xinhua. Scott Bessent called for a review of the Federal Reserve's headquarters renovation, urging the central bank to also scrutinize its non-monetary policy operations. He warned of significant mission creep. SoftBank and OpenAI's $500 billion United States dollar artificial intelligence project struggles to get off the ground, with the Stargate venture, introduced at a White House event earlier this year, now setting a more modest goal of building a small data center by year-end, according to the Wall Street Journal. Former President Trump's targeting of trade loopholes would threaten 70% of China's United States exports and more than 2.1% of gross domestic product, according to Bloomberg. The prospects of an interim trade deal between India and the United States before Washington's August 1st deadline have dimmed as talks remain deadlocked over tariff cuts on key agricultural and dairy products, according to Reuters. A growing number of European Union member states, including Germany, are considering using wide-ranging anti-coercion measures targeting United States services if the European Union cannot reach a trade deal with United States President Donald Trump. That's your global market pulse in under 2 minutes. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and stay tuned to the fellow investors.